Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. This is my introduction discussion for our class AIL 602. Thanks a lot for being here. Happy to be here myself. Um, oops, already made a mistake. Okay, no, but my name is John Zackerson. Uh, I work as a lean analyst for a company called CHG Healthcare. Um, and I'm also a current PhD student in instructional technology here at the University of Alabama. So I'm happy to be here. Thanks. All right. As far as my experience and kind of what I do, in my role, essentially, I'm a process improvement analyst. You can think of lean as a process improvement methodology. So I uh, in my role, chiefly, I support internal teams by looking at how work actually gets done day to day. So typically, I like to map the processes, identify the bottlenecks and wastes, and then I partner with teams to come up with the best possible improvements, things that reduce rework, improve quality, help people to spend more time doing the work that really matters to them. And so that's kind of what I do. And ultimately, we hope to make work easier, faster, and better for everybody. So that's what I enjoy doing, and that's what I spend my time at work doing. It's really coming down, as you can see from the graphic there, it's really about analyzing, improving, and sustaining that improvement each day. Okay. Like I said, I work at CHG Healthcare. They're really a health staffing agency, so they help place mostly temporary um, positions into medical facilities. So anywhere from doctors and physicians and assistants and nursing and all kinds of positions in between. Uh, but my work mostly focuses on working with our internal teams and my population. The people I work with are obviously uh, adult professionals who are learning and trying to apply new processes along the way. Just a little bit about my background. My academic background is in mathematics and statistics. You can see there that I got both my degrees from the University of Utah. Um, and that quantitative foundation kind of shapes how I think. I like, as you can imagine, clear definitions of things that are measurable. I like measurable outcomes. I like models that can predict or explain what's happening around us. And that's the big reason to me that the PhD felt like the real next step for me. Um, as far as my teaching and training experience, actually a really fun part of my job is that I do get to do a fair amount of teaching. Uh, we teach mostly lean principles and lean methodologies, so I get to run training sessions on those practical improvement tools. So many of them you can see there, like 5S, standard work, Kaizen, process mapping, and other kinds of things like that to help kind of spread process improvement as a culture throughout the company. So that's really good. And then I also get a chance to um, kind of partner with our learning and development team and some things there. And I think that could be a future direction as to how I could use my PhD in the future. And then as regards my research interests and kind of the teaching interests that I might have that I hope this PhD will help me to fulfill is about the process of learning itself, and especially how learning and retention sort of change over time or evolve. And since I come from a math and stats background, I'm really drawn to the idea of building some kind of mathematical modeling that can help learning scientists or organizations improve learning outcomes. That's the whole idea. That's kind of what I'm interested in, and that's what I'd like to study if I can. So things like predicting skill decay or optimizing practice schedules or evaluating which training interventions actually move the needle. Those are the kinds of things that I hope we can study, and I hope I can apply some of that math and stats background to maybe do some of that for the research that I want to do. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I think it'll be really fun. Okay, and then just to close here, my goals for this course are to strengthen my understanding of learning theory and research methods, and to connect that directly to real workplace learning, especially the kind of training and behavior uh, change that follows process improvement work. I'm really interested in that, and I'm also hoping to refine some of these ideas that could eventually become part of my dissertation. And of course, I'm looking forward to meeting and working with each of you. So thanks a lot. That's it. Um, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.